Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now, it's freezing cold today, so that's why I decided to go on a photography hunt by bike. So today I'm going to scout for new locations and it's a bit foggy, but this will create some beautiful compositions when going to the river. So without further ado, let's jump on my bike and look for some great photo opportunities. So the slow light is perfect for the light diffusion in the fog. So I'm now going to cross the river and then I want to go to a castle and take some photos with my Nikon DSLR camera. So we stop for the first location. I really like the sun over here. It casts this orange glow on the water and in the fog. I'm just looking for the perfect composition. So I'm using my Nikon DSLR camera. Okay. I just stopped in another location. I already shot this tree in the previous video. I will link it here above. But guys, look how beautiful this reflection is. This just cries for a beautiful photo. Yeah. I'm not going to use the same composition as the previous time. Okay. Yeah, this one is really beautiful. Okay. Let's move on to the next location. If I want to hit the castle before the fog is gone, I will need to hurry a bit. I just stopped quickly over here because I just spotted this little creek here. And look at that reflection. I guess this is turning out to be a reflection video after all. Okay, it's time to move on to the next one. I just stop whenever I see an interesting spot. But I'm losing quite a lot of time and I don't want to miss out the fog above the water at the castle itself. Let's continue our tour. If you're wondering how I navigate through these landscapes, I mapped out a route on the computer and transferred it to my smartwatch. Okay, we have a little bridge over here. I'm just gonna stop for a bit because this is really beautiful. Oh, see that heron over there? I just missed it. I hope it doesn't fly away. Yes, so yeah, I have it on GoPro now, for sure. Again, because it's quite moody, my ISO is quite high. Well, quite high. Normally I shoot on ISO 100. This time it's 200. Oh, it's still sitting there. Oh damn, but I love that orange in the cloud. Just playing around. I don't like that pole in the middle. of my composition. Okay, that's it for this location. Guys, I just stopped because I saw this heron over there. It hasn't spotted me, but I'm going to try and take a few photos. Hopefully I manage to take a sharp one because it's quite far away. I only have my kit lens, so let's give it a try. So whenever you shoot birds, make sure to have a fast shutter speed. And since I'm not having a big tele lens, make sure you zoom in all the way and have a large aperture so you have it in focus. Okay. And I have it. Okay guys, I just reached the castle. It's really beautiful, so I hope I can take a few photos. I will see how close I can get. That's really cool. I'm just gonna walk past them. Fingers crossed. No wings either. Okay. And they do. Always focus to the eyes. Okay, there's a water chick over here. Always use a fast shutter speed when shooting animals. If you won't do that, they will be out of focus for sure. Okay, perfect. Okay. Maybe one more. This chicken is just ignoring me completely. Just need to make sure. To walk past them. Okay, perfect. Isn't this a funny photo? Two chickens sitting on a bench, enjoying the view over the lake. They are making I've got that. I never took so many photos from a chicken. Okay, that's it. I know. The chicken is approaching me like it's gonna attack me. Okay, now I'm going to take a few photos of the castle itself. I expected it to be bigger, but unfortunately that's not the case. Actually, I'm gonna stand over there. Just in the middle, so I can frame it properly. Okay. Alright guys, what do you think from this bridge? This bridge is really cool. It would be really great to shoot it with a wide lens, but I don't have that. If you don't have a wide lens, you can always take a photo in panoramic mode. And now I'm going to shoot through. And focus on the water. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you didn't already, please subscribe, because once I reach 100 subscribers, I will be releasing another video of the challenge. I will pop up the link here above on the right for the previous video of the challenge. So without further ado, all that rests me to say is that you don't need to be great to start, but start to become great. See you in the next one. Bye!